Salesforce Industry-specific Solutions. Salesforce, a leading CRM platform, offers a wide range of industry-specific solutions designed to meet the unique needs of different sectors. Industry-focused Salesforce tools. Salesforce has developed tailored tools that address the particular requirements of different industries. Whether you are in manufacturing, hospitality, or professional services, there is a Salesforce solution designed to help you succeed. Custom Salesforce solutions. Salesforce offers custom solutions that can be tailored to fit your specific requirements. Whether you need a custom app, specialized reporting tools, or integration with other systems, Salesforce can work with you to create a solution that meets your exact needs. Salesforce Industry Expertise. Industry-specific solutions are backed by a team of experts who understand the unique challenges and opportunities facing different sectors. By partnering with Salesforce, you can leverage their industry knowledge to drive innovation and growth in your organization. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce industry-specific solutions are a powerful tool for organizations looking to achieve success in today's competitive marketplace. By leveraging Salesforce's industry expertise, custom solutions, and niche offerings, businesses can drive growth, improve efficiency, and deliver exceptional customer experiences.